Hey guys, I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy and simple it is to build a funnel in ClickFunnels. It's so fast and intuitive. Check it out. We'll just click on New Funnel and let's do this. Alright, we're going to build a squeeze page funnel just to collect people's opt-ins, their email info. So let's go ahead and find a squeeze page. Here we go, squeeze page funnel. Select that. And there'll be all these funnel recipes from the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, which I totally recommend. You can get it for free at funnelhackerscookbook.com. All right. Go down, and ClickFunnels has all kinds of free and paid templates for you to choose from. We're going to go ahead and just pick one of the free ones. All right, when you find the template you want to use, you go ahead and say Get Funnel, and ClickFunnels will load it up into your account. Usually takes a couple of seconds. All right, now that it's all loaded into your ClickFunnels account, you just go to Edit Page and you can start using ClickFunnels' super easy drag and drop editor to make the page your own. Add your logo or whatever you want here. And change the headline to whatever you need to do. But yeah, as you can see, everything's super easy to just edit on your own. Change colors super easy, or text, or whatever. You can change your button color here. I mean, it's super easy to learn. You just kind of dive in and play around and figure out what you like. Don't be afraid, you won't break anything. It's robust and they made it for people to be able to use and play with and experiment. So you get your page how you like it and you hit save. And it'll get in there for you. Let's exit the editor here. And then you can go and edit your next page in the funnel. In this case, it'd be a thank you page for when they enter their email to get on your list and get your lead magnet. You can go ahead and edit that page to how you want it to look. Easy peasy, guys. So awesome. And definitely watch the channel for more ClickFunnels videos coming up.